Hello, so today I'm going to show you how to prune cucumbers. So let's go. So today we're looking at pruning the cucumbers, and as you can see they're growing really crazy, which is good. So we need to tell you how to prune a cucumber, and they're very much similar to the tomato. Each plant has its main stem, a tendril, the sunleaf, the fruit, and then, like the tomato, a little sucker. And these, when small, can be just removed. And as you can see, here we go, there's the fruit, there's the sunleaf, there's the tendril, and there's the sucker. And some of these are quite small, some of these have been removed. There we go, look, the sunleaf, the fruit, tendril, main stem, sucker. So this can be done all the way down. Any leaves at the bottom can be removed that are touching the ground. So this one, you can see, we forgot to do. So this is the main stem. This is the fruit, which we've got a nice looking cucumber. There's no tendril on this one. This is the leaf. Where's the leaf? This is the leaf here. That's the leaf. So this is the sucker. But as you can see, this one's grown so long. This one should have been removed. So we can give this one a snip. And this is removed. So now we've got the fruit, the sunleaf, and there's no tendril. So we just go all the way up the plant. Fruit, leaf, fruit, leaf. This one's got a small sucker hidden behind. Move that one. This one's got a small sucker behind. And we just go up the whole plant, doing the same until we get to the top. On these plants, we've twisted it round the twine. But you can also get hoops, and I'll show you the hoops. You can also use these little hooks. These are really cheap, about £1.50 for about 1,000 on Amazon. And they just clip, get your twine, twine goes, where are we? In between the little clip here. Which catches it. And then the plant goes into the ring and snap. And there we have our ring. So that's a good way to attach them to the cane or to the strings. So we shall continue this all throughout the year and get them all sorted. So any yellow leaves that are touching the ground can also be removed. And as we mentioned before, here's a little sucker, main stem, sun leaf. There's no fruit here, so there's a sucker there. This one. And as we go up the plant, it's the same. Tendril, main stem, sucker. So we can just keep removing these day by day. And a good example of a sucker not being removed is this one. We've got the fruit, we've got the sun leaf, and this is the sucker. And the way to be able to tell the suckers is the sun leaf will only produce one leaf, and the sucker will produce a whole new lot of fruit, a whole new leaf. So you can tell that that one is a sucker. So that will bear fruit. That can also be removed. So sun leaf, one leaf. So those are the basic things to remember. Sun leaf, fruit, tendril, sucker. So it's very much the same as the tomatoes. Just keep plodding on through. And as you can see at the bottom, these wasn't done. So I need to get into here. And this will be the one that needs removing. So this is as we finished. It's a lot clearer on the bottom now. Probably some of these larger leaves could be removed. But there's still plenty of fruits left. And they're growing up the strings. And we cleared this bucket full just from these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plants. So we need to go down and do the rest of these now. So we can just show you that this is another variety. And this is Market More, and it's the same principle. Stem, sun leaf, fruit, and sucker. So we just keep going up. Fruit, leaf. They get smaller as they go up, but as we go further down, it needs attention. So we should get into these and sort these out, give them a good clear out. So same thing applies. If it's got 2 shoots, it's a sucker. If it's got 1 leaf, it's the sun leaf. Easy. So after a couple of hours, all the cucumbers have been cleared. There's one there that I've pulled up. But there's all space on the ground now. So they're looking really good. Looking forward to some decent cucumbers this year. Last year we did these in the pots and they grew out so quickly. So they're certainly better in the ground. And we've got 2 more market moors on the end there. Well, thank you for watching, and I hope you found this useful. And we look forward to having a good crop of cucumbers this year. So still got a few more to go. Still early morning, sun is just rising. So we'll get that sorted before going home. Thank you very much. Cheers.